And we're going to continue this critical view on ourselves. And actually, well, Latvians will have quite the challenge in our next presentation, because in some way we're going to look into the mirror and answer the question what we have to do to improve the deep tech scene here in Latvia. And who better to speak on the topic than the Space and Innovation Policy Senior Expert at the Ministry of Economics. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stage, Angelina Bekasova. Welcome. Welcome,
Thank you
Angelina.
very much.
The clicker, the stage is yours.
I was requested to deliver a speech about this topic, transforming policies to boost deep tech. Gladly, but I see a hint here that the solution would be straight policy making. Okay, we do policy making and that might help. But do I have a solution in my head what to do? Of course not. Do my colleagues have a solution? Of course not. We just have some ideas how to improve the system. Just as startups have ideas, business support organizations have some ideas, the academia has ideas too. What's important is that we depend on each other in the success of any of these ideas. So let me put the title into a bit different words. What can we do better to be better? And you might have noticed the new fashion how to answer such questions with another question, the chicken and the egg question. Stop it. The chicken will fail and the egg will fail. We shouldn't be waiting for neither of them. We shouldn't be waiting for neither of them. We are talking about the ecosystem, because only the ecosystem will create the solution that will work for the ecosystem. That is the ecosystem, the Earth. And of course, I'll bring you back to the space topic here. How do we have the Earth? The theory says the Big Bang. Disclaimer for space people, yes, technically incorrect image of the Big Bang, but it looks like a bang and it's big. So what happened? Certain conditions coincided, certain elements came together, and the Big Bang. Time has passed, and here we are. We have the Earth. A complicated but a well-functioning ecosystem. That's what we need for the deep tech industry in Latvia, the ecosystem, because otherwise that would be just bad policy making. And do you know, by the way, the world started using the term deep tech just 10 years ago. The term was coined only 10 years ago. Latvia is organizing the Deep Tech Atelier for already 6th year in a row. We are not new to science-based business. We have that culture. And now we can hear the word deep tech more and more globally. So there is demand for deep tech business, a global demand. So in Latvia, we have a very good basis for the Big Bang and the elements for it. Talk to any Latvian scientists, and they will share you amazing stories, what they have achieved in their science. Talk to any startup or a more experienced business. You will see the energy and the wish to export, to grow, to innovate. Walk in the corridors of institutions, that's what I do. And actually, you will hear discussions about how we could improve to have a better innovation, better support systems. We know the importance of it. And then think about those for who that all we're creating. For instance, take medicine and put it into perspective, how much we have achieved in the last decade. And that is for us all. Think of space, it's a mainstream industry. Think of our smartphones, they're so smart. And that is the result of business plus science. So again, I believe we have the scientific excellence, we have a very vivid business community. I know we have a lot of innovation support mechanisms, we have the funding, but something is missing. Maybe the Big Bang. So we are going to try to synthesize it, actually today. Some representatives of the public sector will come together with business support organizations, with some very successful Latvian startups, with our academia, and with our large industrial players, and with the bridge to the European Union's innovation ecosystem. We'll come together to discuss about the solution. What could we do better? What could we do to retain Latvia's reputation of a deep tech country? we're going to discuss to come up with a roadmap for successful development of deep tech in Latvia. So we guess it's a good idea to put together brains for a solution. And to leave the stage, let me offer you one more metaphor. Any ecosystem actually functions as a startup, just as the Earth. Crises and successes, disagreements and collaborations, risks and opportunities to success. Will we find the formula for success? I doubt, but will we be creating the formula of success? If all together, then we're waiting very much forward to it for a deep tech ecosystem, deep tech initiative, deep tech mission, whatever else. I don't know yet, but we'll see tomorrow. Stay tuned, but because we're going to report on our results of the Express research and discussions. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, Angelina. What is the timeline for the roadmap? Because each road has a beginning and somewhere there is a supposed end. So what is the timeline for the new roadmap?
That's one of the questions we'll have to ask today at the discussions, because no idea, but together we'll have to decide what's the roadmap, because not everything will depend on the public sector. We all together will have to work, and we'll ask this question.
And where can we see the results afterwards? Will it be published on the Ministry of Economics website, or?
We'll see. Maybe we'll pass it as a communication, but tomorrow there will be another event with the discussion. Oh, sorry, we're going to report on the results. So.
Excellent. Angelina, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right. Well, for your entertainment, the ones who are connected to the Slido platform, there's going to be a quiz that you can entertain yourselves during the coffee break. By the way, did you know they're actually drinking coffee up in space in the International Space Station? Imagine catching all that coffee that is flying in the air. Well, good news for you. We have coffee with added gravity, and you can catch that during the coffee break. We're going to see you all back here 3:30. See you all pretty soon.